Hello guys, it's me, Tech. And yesterday I found something really cool laying on the street. It was a literally iMac G3 laying nearby trash. And if you don't know what an iMac G3 is, it is a iMac from 1999. And it was the first iMac without floppy disks. And the iMac has a C-trough back with a handle to carry it. I show you example pictures. So I thought was broken, and the power supply cable did not fit because of this. This made the cable not fit. So I had to take the entire Mac apart, and it was very difficult. Here is a photo. And after I fixed it, it literally worked. Here is a boot up video. So yeah, it's pretty cool to actually find this working. It runs at macOS 9.2. And that electrical tick sound you heard in the video is the CRT. It's pretty normal. Anyways, this was the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to follow. See you in